For over 30 years, students arrived at Sanford Junior High School for their early adolescent years. They came to this place to learn, to grow, to change. They came because of the friendships that would be born between its boundaries. They came because of the faculty who would steer them through those turbulent times. And they came because of the memories that would last long after its doors were to be closed for the final time. They came with their insecurities and uncertainties, and they left, hopefully, having found something out about who they were. In the spring of 2020, under the strangest of circumstances, the doors to SJHS were closed for the final time, and the building left behind to be open for a different purpose down the road. While those times wandering through the place had ended, the journey for those same resilient, determined students and their diverse and capable faculty had just begun. Behind Sanford Junior High School sat another well-known building in the community, also closed from its previous purpose. After more than 12 months sitting dormant, waiting for inhabitants to arrive, tonight those special people have completed their journey, and that building, with its rich history and tradition, begins anew. While they will always stand upon the foundation that was formed at Sanford Junior High School, tonight is the dawning of a new era. For tonight, we invite you to join us as we say,
to Sanford Middle School.
Welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome.
To Sanford Middle School. Welcome.
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 To Sanford Middle School.
As principal here, I want to say welcome to Sanford Middle School. Now that students have gotten into the hallways and into classrooms, we want to say we're very proud of how you're following all the safety protocols. Now it's time for families to take a tour of the building and check out the awesome stuff that's going on in the classrooms and hallways and see the great energy that these students have brought upon us. Now let's go inside.
everybody. Nice to see you all again. Mr. Bailey here, your 5th and 6th grade assistant principal. We're hoping that you're going to take and love the new building. It's been great to get into the new building. I hope that you enjoy all the rehabs and the retrofits that have been done here at the new middle school. We really enjoy our space. It allows for us to have some nice wide open hallways. Please make sure that you take and come and see me should you have any issues, and enjoy your time here at Sanford Middle School.
Hello, Sanford Middle School. It's Mr. Mastracchio here. I really want to welcome everybody to a 2020-2021 school year. I'm very excited to be here. Personally, I've been at Sanford Middle School for 15 years. I love it here. I love the staff. I love the students. Things are going to look a lot different this year. People wearing masks. We have plexiglass barriers up, but we have a very safe school for both our students and our staff. So I want families to know that. Really appreciate everything that everybody has been doing on the parent side as well as the teacher side. This year I'll be primarily working with grades 7 and 8, but will also be available for 5 and 6 at times as well. Welcome to Sanford Middle School.